In a rare move, the Tennessee State Senate removed a member of their own today. Democratic State Senator Katrina Robinson was expelled due to federal convictions related to her business. State Capitol reporter Gerald Harris explains why this decision is proving controversial.
The final vote to remove Senator Katrina Robinson, a black woman, fell along party lines, with the supermajority of Republicans supporting the decision. Senate Democrats did not.
It's sexist, it's racist, it's discriminatory.
The case goes back to before Robinson was even a member of the Senate. Initially, the federal government at the time alleged in a 48-count indictment Robinson misused and stole $600,000 in federal grant money. The judge acquitted her on 15 of those counts and eventually left 4 of the 5 counts to be considered by a jury. That's now down to 2 counts with the possibility that there would be no counts by sentencing.
This is an effort on behalf of a majority party to wield their power, to abuse the system.
The exact ethics violation remains unclear, and supporters of Robinson bring to light instances of Republican senators, including Senator Joey Hensley prescribing opioids and having an affair with his cousin, Senator Brian Kelsey, who has been indicted on 5 counts of violating federal campaign finance, among others, and still being allowed to serve.
You saw me stand up in front of that body and get publicly lynched through procedure.
In a 2019 Attorney General opinion, Herbert Slatery wrote there is no historical precedent for expelling a member other than for conduct that occurred while the member was in office. Republicans that led the effort are not commenting.
There were statements that I was not being accurate in my representation of the law. I have immunity on the Senate floor. And so if somebody were to make an ethical violation against my law license, any comment I make before you in the press, potentially could be something that puts myself in harm's way.
Even after they allege the Senate does not have to allow due process.
Senator Stevens sat there on the floor and quoted state law, and we're obviously talking about a federal court proceeding. No, they didn't do their homework.
And now Tennessee's blackest Senate district will be without representation.
All of this is on purpose. None of this is by happenstance. And I think that we got to call a thing, and that thing is racism. That thing is fascism at this point.
In Asheville, I'm Gerald Harris.
Now, Robinson is due back before a federal court coming up on March 3rd.